Today I'm teaching you boats and streams, still water, stream, down, up, and how to recover both speeds. SSC CGL Quant asks this every year. And the trap is averaging the two journey speeds. By the end you will time a round trip cleanly and recover boat and stream when the question only hands you the journey. Here's our map before any formula. First we name still water and stream. Then we build downstream and upstream. Then we time a full round trip. Then I show you the trap that fools almost everyone. Then we recover boat and stream from journey speeds and you try one. Picture this before we write a symbol. Same boat, same distance out and back. Yet the return always costs more time. Why does averaging the two speeds fail that round trip? Call the boat speed in still water B, and the stream speed S. Neither one is a journey speed yet, they are the two pieces you will add or subtract. With the current, the water helps you. Downstream speed is B plus S, boat and stream point the same way. Against the current, the water fights you. Upstream speed is B minus S, same boat, opposite help. Time on a leg is distance divided by that leg's speed. A round trip needs two divisions, never one average of B. A boat's still water speed is 12 kilometers per hour, and the stream is 3. How long for 45 kilometers down and the same 45 back? Downstream is 12 plus 3, 15 kilometers per hour. Finish the round trip time. Upstream is 12 minus 3, 9 kilometers per hour. Time down is 45 over 15, 3 hours. Time up is 45 over 9, 5 hours. Round trip is 8 hours. The round trip takes 8 hours. The trap. Averaging the two speeds 15 with 9 gives 12. That recovers B, not the journey rate. Watch what the trip rate actually is. 90 kilometers in 8 hours is 11.25, below the still water 12, because more time was spent on the slow leg. Averaging the two speeds recovers B. It does not recover the trip rate. Now I hand you a downstream speed and an upstream speed. The boat and stream fall out in one pair. B is their average, S is half their difference. A boat covers 28 kilometers downstream in 2 hours, and the same distance upstream in 4 hours. Find the still water speed. Downstream speed is 28 over 2, 14 kilometers per hour. Upstream speed is 28 over 4, 7 kilometers per hour. Still water speed B is 14 plus 7, over 2, 10.5. Stream check. 14 minus 7 over 2 is 3.5. 10.5 plus 3.5 rebuilds 14. The boat's still water speed is 10.5 kilometers per hour. The trap. Calling the downstream 14, the boat speed overstates B by exactly S. A boat's still water speed is 10 kilometers per hour and the stream is 2. What is the upstream speed? The answer is 8 kilometers per hour. Upstream subtracts. 10 minus 2 is 8. 12 would be downstream. Downstream adds the stream. Upstream subtracts it. Split every round trip into 2 honest times. To recover boat and stream, average for B and have the gap for S. Comment below with one thing that still confused you. That feedback shapes the next lesson. Subscribe so the platforms in passing follow-up lands in your feed. Then open the ExamMaster app and drill boats and streams while this is fresh.